Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Thursday, and we have a big Thursday today. We can see how price rebounded yesterday on us. Good thing we got out right here. But you can see how we just got a clear push up right now. And for me, I know we're at the top of this resistance, which is clear. You can clearly see we're at the top of this resistance. But what I also see here is that price is just on an uptrend. With the news coming out right now on GDP quarter over quarter, I think we can see a fall off. Just because, I mean, it's preliminary, and I think tomorrow's, I don't know, it'll be next week. So, but this is going to tell us, are we advancing? Are we not? Unemployment coming out. So I think this is going to be a huge day. But for me, like if you guys, like for me, I don't see a trade here unless we get a retrace down to this level. Oops. And then a push up. But I also don't like where price is at right now. We're at the very top. And if news is bad, we can see price drop and tumble. But if I do take this trade, I'm looking at a 30 pip stop loss. Just about. Let's call it just about a 30 pip stop loss. So this is what I would be looking at. I'm not in the trade yet, but this is what I'd be looking at. So it's something that we got to take into account, see what price is going to give us. So we got 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes till open. You can see price is already kind of rejecting, but it's still very, very bullish. And you can see the ADX is on fire right now. Pretty damn bullish. So for me, it's hard to kind of say, oh yeah, price is going to come up right now. And it's also hard for me to say that price is going to come down right now. So for me personally, I think I'm going to stay away. Unless, we get in and we just gamble. Because this isn't like a trade where we have confirmations to take this trade right here. This is literally a gamble. Just resistance up top. So like if we're able to take this trade, it doesn't matter from here to here unless you're doing $100 pips, $20 pips. I'm not on that level yet. But $5, 4 pips, 5 pips is like 20 bucks. So this would be just a literal gamble. So that's kind of where I'm at with it. It's like, okay, we're gambling here at this point. So it's kind of like, what do we do? Do we jump in and ride this trade and maybe see what price does for us? Because we got 3.5 minutes left till open or till this news comes out. So it's a matter of if price is going to give it to us. So you could see that here. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this up. You guys won't be able to see it, but I'll see. Or you know what? I think you will be able to see it. I guess you can't see it the way I would like to see it. All right, so am I down to gamble today? I mean, we're at the top of resistance. The only reason I don't like the trade is we just got clear higher highs and higher lows, but let's see what price gives us. This is a gamble, so whoever's my viewer on here, this is a gamble, so just know that. We'll see if price can break through. This is going to be a key area right here in the next 2 minutes. This right here. Because right here at this point, we basically see that price had rejected, kind of, and then used it as support. But we know that this is a key zone right here, key resistance area, multiple rejections at this point. So anything can happen at this point. Um, and like I said, it does look like it's still gambling, but hopefully we have a magic of 3. So we'll see what happens at this point, because it's just a matter of if price is going to give us what we want at the end of the day. T minus 1 minute. This is a gamble. If you're gambling, please know that you could lose this money. And yeah, I even think it's already showing respect right here. See this? All right, 20 seconds, 22 seconds. Let's see what price gives us. All right, see what happens. Looks like it's rejecting the EMA, right? People might be looking to push up. We're in a little profit right now. Yeah, it looks like news is good. Preliminary GDP quarter over quarter is at 1.3%, which is essentially what they were looking for, or they were looking for 1.1. Unemployment claims are down. Look at its respect in that area. Yeah, you know what? I think the news is good, so shit. I think maybe we should get out of here. Uh, See how it's using that as support? Right on it, right? I'm not going to stay in this trade for long just because I know that price is, well, the news is good. I'm not going to stay in it for long. Honestly, I'll be looking to take it maybe to just this level here, to the support area. If it can make it. I'm already thinking about moving my stops to break even. Yeah, it seems to be coming up from here already. News is good. I think, yeah, I think I'm going to get out. Like it's holding up, but it's not holding up. 30 seconds left. It could still push up on this 1 minute. Let me show you what I'm looking at. See, we wanted to use this as resistance and fall off, start turning bearish. If it can start turning bearish like that and start heading down, we can make it at least to here. But we got to see where price is going to take us. For me personally, I think we're maybe going against, we're on the wrong side of this trade, me personally. And I think right here would be happy to get right there. But it doesn't look like it's breaking this area. Let's see. It's not the movement I was looking for at 5:30, I'll tell you that much. Okay. So we're about 25 pips away from TP1. See if it can break through all this though. If it doesn't, we know that there's resistance right here that can easily turn to support, right? Resistance, resistance, support, which kind of looks like what's happening right there. So it doesn't have to, it could push up on us. So if you want to take profit, take profit. We're doing a counter trend trade. So with this counter trend trade, I think we should be mindful that it can reverse on us at any point. So, and preferably, I move your stops to break even. I'm just hoping we could get down to this zone right here, maybe to the 5-minute 50 EMA, and maybe that's where we could take our profit and get out of this trade. So let's see. And this is a gamble. The only reason we're taking this trade is because it's at a key resistance area, but you can see here it's kind of pushing up already, right? If this holds up, we're okay, but it could just blow past this pretty easy right now, so we got to be mindful of that. Mm, yeah, it's still not breaking it. You can kind of see this level that's holding up right here, just using it as support. It looks to be coming up on us, so for me, I think I'm going to get out of the trade, um, just because I see what's happening right here. There's no point in holding up. Like if it breaks, if it finishes above here, then we know there's a good chance it's going to continue up, and it's just going to create the higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So let's see if this holds up, or if it breaks and finishes on top, and then it's going to continue its way up. Finished. Yeah, it's not showing me much. We need something to finish through here, and I'll feel a little bit better about maybe taking a trade, but I mean, holding the trade. Yeah, it seems to be. This doesn't mean nothing. You could do the same thing all of these candles did, which is come down and wick up, come down and wick up, come down, wick up. So there's still 35 seconds left, and you could already see it wicking back up. Yeah, I think the buyers are in full control right now. This seems to be coming up. But let's see. See if it could just fall. Hmm. Yeah, like I said, counter trend trade. It looks to be coming up on us now. Damn. I'm about to get stopped out at break even. Like this is an ILC right here, but it's only a 1-minute ILC. Like price could come up to this and reject it. I don't think it will. Um, just because it's a 1-minute, so it's not so strong. But I mean, you could see that there is resistance to support right here, so it's possible. See how it just broke past that? That's why I got out the trade. We don't want to hold on to these ones when we see that price is in an obvious uptrend, right? Then we know that we could see price, and we see this, we just know it's another higher low. Price is continuing to push up. So that's what we can see out of this. And you can see now, 1 minute, everything it took for it to get down here, it took out in 1 minute. So the buyers are coming in heavy. I think we're gonna see possibly. I think we're gonna see. I mean, it could come down, but I don't know. Like I said, it's just a risk. Ooh. Okay. See how it uses this as support to continue up. So sellers came in using this little order block, not an order block, but this little zone as a sell-off area. Now, if it breaks through this, there's a good chance that we could see this thing come down if it breaks through to the downside. I just want to see what price is doing right here because I know we're at the top of this resistance, right? But we could even put something like this right here because we know this is a key zone. Right? I just want to see what happens if it's gonna blow up out of here, which it looks like it will. See clear support right here. Yeah, I could see this honestly coming up quite a bit. It's set up to come like all the way up here at least, or at least up to here, because this is just a bunch of bullshit right here. So we could definitely see this come up to these zones. So, oh yeah, no, this looks like it's out of here. 931. Just want to see how it reacts at the very top of this area right here. holding up right here. See, I knew it. I should have put that motherfucking sell in. I got in late, but I'm in. And it gave me a very shitty spot, but I'm in. Damn. I hate when it does that. I got in like, I want to say at 9:25-ish, and it put me in at 9:16. So I'm in. I'm like right here. I got $5 a pip. So let's see what happens. If it uses this as support, you can get the fuck about. But stops are just above this. 20 pips. Let's see what happens. It could just go against this, so be mindful of that. I was looking for a way better entry, but I should have got a way better entry, but it was just, you know. Damn, looks like buyers are coming in though. It's just that we're at the top of this resistance and I can't help myself. This is gambling though, just to be clear. This is, nothing about this is, it's not, there's no edge to this other than that we're in a clear resistance zone right here. No other clear edge. I'm down about $14 right now. See what happens. And if it breaks below this, if it can break through these and break below this, then we're in business. But if not, because like you see how it's rising up, it's got to finish below. I would say it needs to finish below this wick so the next one can break through, or it has an opportunity to break through. That looks like it could still go up, honestly. It looks like it could just push up from here. I can't believe it gave me this area. Literally when I tried to get in, it was like right here. Somewhere up here. But yeah, honestly, I think I'm going to get out. Look at this trade and I'm like, what am I doing? Why am I even in this? No edge, no confirmations, no nothing. I didn't touch it, huh? Yeah, it's not finishing great, so it looks like it'll come up on us. Yeah, it's pushing up. Damn. Why do I do this shit to myself? Whoops, I'm not even looking at the right one. But you can see here how it's finishing. Look at the 5 minute, how it finished. Pretty damn bullish, right? So what we see here is just a clear uptrend. At this point, I'm kind of like, yeah, it definitely looks bullish, but what makes it look the most bullish is this candle in the middle right here. This one in the middle. You can see how we got this inverted hammer, which gave me a hope and a chance that it would come down. But with the news, the buyers came in, used this area of support, boom, built off of that, and now it's going to continue its way up to go ahead and make its move to the upside. US30 looks like it wants to come down though. And US30 is in a downtrend, so I can see it coming down. I don't think I would just take it here at this level. And, strong enough area for me, but it's coming down. See how they're kind of the same without being the same. If I get to see this thing, I'd be so happy. This is funny because, like, for me personally, this is one of those things where it's basically it's like I think it's showing us an uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, possibly the higher low. Like we would need this thing to fall off tremendously for it to be like a good trade. What is it at? 915. Like this doesn't do nothing because it's on top of this zone, right? Come down here and wick out. That's what sucks because I'm telling you, I was about to get in like right here. Give it to me right here. See, make or break right here. If it uses this as support again, we're gonna get out of this bitch. See what it did? Tapped it, used it as support. Now it can push up. Damn. Might as well just get out of this shit. Doesn't look like it's gonna go our way. What's up, babe? Hello? What's going on? Already? You need to get ready? What time's her award show? 8:15? Okay. In the living room? Yeah. Alright. Well, alright. Something here. 940. Alright. Let's see what happens here. giving me all the hope in the world while it's still going up. That's probably the dumbest thing you could do as a trader. But I just know that we're at the top of a resistance. And that's my only confirmation. But I think we should see push down. I think. You don't have to, but I think. Even though it's going up, I think. Actually, what am I doing? Fucking news. The news is great. Why would I be selling right now? Just want to see it fall. Come on. Just give me some. Just give me like 10 pips. 17 to like, yeah, right there. That'd be beautiful. Like one, like this candle, but right here. You know, all the way through it. That'd be beautiful. 13 to 27. A 13 pip candle would look nice right there. But we can obviously see. So this is one of my bigger issues is when I'm in a trade like this, you get the sense of hope right here, right? Even though you see that there's higher lows being formed, when you see these lower highs being formed, that's where you get your sense of hope. But you could see what price is doing now, right? It's closing up this. It's closing this up right here, right? Boom, boom. Now that it's broken on top of it, now we can expect a push up, in my opinion. Let's see here. Now we're going to look for it to retest right here and probably push up to the upside is what I would expect. Let's see a little retest. I think possibly we could put some buys in. Let's see. All right. It's go time. All right. Let's see. I got my buy in. Let's see what happens now. I'm going to go ahead and post it on the YouTube channel. I mean, not YouTube, the Instagram page, just so you guys can see what I'm working with. And, yeah, we'll go from there.